Careful that that ratchet's still running. Make sure that ratchet's stuck to the ratchet. Make sure it's ratchet. So don't put this on the
Will this tractor run on Mountain Dew? Was Steve here? Was that from him?
All right, open the choke up and step away.
I've never seen a tractor run on Mountain
You
Dew.
want me to hold it?
Yeah.
Give it a little bit of throttle.
It's got any spark?
Yeah, add a little more.
Think it's actually going to suck back in there when it's going down the hill to the bottom? It'd have to come all the way up this tube.
Just the fumes. We don't need
Yeah.
fumes.
Maybe take the spark plug out and put a little drop in the cylinder.
All right, that's a smart idea.
That's how I roll.
It's dripping fuel from here, so it's definitely.
Yeah, it's there.
Okay. Huh. Did anyone clean the carb out or anything?
No, that's why we wanted to pop.
Yeah.
If we don't have to clean the carb, we don't.
Yeah.
Can we get that?
I didn't catch the start up.
Wait for it to stop before you reach for it.
Nice job, guys.
Yeah, nice work.
All right, in this next clip here, we're going to try to start the 1924 Gravely Model D, the oldest known Gravely to exist in the whole world, which is pretty awesome. Check it out.
When it runs. So 3 years ago, John, 4 years ago, we had it running. And it was a beautiful day. We actually took it out and cultivated it. So hopefully you guys got to see the video.
2017.
2017.
It was 6 years ago.
Hey, in old media years, that's fast. Well, it hasn't run since, I don't believe.
COVID math.
We don't know if it has spark. We don't know if it has gas. We don't know anything about it. We're hoping it'll start because we want to eat. Duke has created a fabulous meal for us, but we can't eat until this thing runs. So we're hoping.
Start something else. Come on, Eric.
Eric?
I heard it going.
We're going to start this tractor. We're going to put this belt over to here, and we're going to pray because I'm hungry. Is there anything else that needs, John?
All right.
John, Dan, talking. Anything else you want to talk about? We're good?
No, I think we're good.
We have the official videographer.
I don't know who's the videographer.
I'll do it.
Dr. Turchak's on it. All right, gentlemen, will you start your engine, please?
1924, oldest Gravely known to exist.
Throttle position.
Watch your fingers. Watch your fingers.
Oh, man.
Barely warm. There, it's there. It's circulating.
As soon as I change the timing, it runs cool, but it still warms up.
Uh-huh. Pretty hot. that is a sound of beauty.
Pretty neat.
I wasn't sure.
Magic touch worked again, man.
Yep. Some meat cooking over here. Smoker. Nice. We got Duke over here, the chef extraordinaire. And he also has a really cool 1942 Model L that won a prize at the Moment last year. Got a U.S. Postal Service Gravely here. Painted yellow. They put all these tags on here, emergency stop, whatever. Let's see. Got the snowplow. Up here you get a sticker. U.S. Post Office. Order number. Pretty cool. It tells you the tire pressure. 20 pounds. It says on here, order number whatever, December 1960. Pretty neat. Throttle label. Pretty cool. This one have that tag too?
Yeah, 19.
July 62, huh? Yeah. Interesting how I noticed some of the ones have red gas tanks and some have yellow.
Yeah.
Maybe the newer ones just had red? I don't know. 24G Rider, 72-inch mower deck. 24 horse Onan Performer engine. Power steering. Thing is really cool. It's got like 1,100 hours on it, but it looks brand new. Pretty awesome. We got Eric's C10A, the flail mower. It's a Pennsylvania Game Commission tractor. Little leak there. I see.
Well, no, the old D is watering gas. Isn't it?
Yeah, this is the centerpiece of
He
my
got
collection.
it right now. He's one for gas and one for oil.
That's oil. Okay.
What we got here? Big fat, like 48-inch blower.
I was debating about that.
Thing's giant. We got a snowplow for a quick hitch walk behind. And we got a Gravely Pro 50. It's a pretty cool little mower. I mean, I don't know. I'd use one. 18 horse Kohler Magnum twin on it. In pretty good condition, actually. Really good condition. Pretty amazed by that. We got over here a 14 horse Kohler. I don't know what that's from. I don't think it's from a Gravely though. Crankshaft is not looking like it came out of a Gravely. That's from a Wheel Horse. It's got the Wheel Horse PTO brackets on there. Cool. Yeah, that freaking blower is huge. This is a pretty rare attachment here.
And if you
Raise it up. No.
What's it called? A drag harrow? I don't remember what it's
Go
called.
in this way. They'll dig in.
Point harrow?
Like edge of the.
That's pretty neat.
All right, full wheel length.
We're like, we could pull this off here. These 4 bolts, that would take this, that would take the.
You trying to get it on your carry-on bag?
48-inch peg type arrow. Never seen one before. Pretty neat.
What's the history?
You want to see a cool spark plug? An Edison spark plug. How's that for cool? Pretty neat.
And we looked at the 20
Some old pictures here.
that I need for my 24.
This was a business card from a Gravely dealer. Delivery.
He wouldn't take $500.
Sickle bar and a mower D. Pretty neat.
But he made me
A row of D's.
a part.
The old truck back here and everything.
And he charged
Pretty cool.
He wanted $50.
Got the old cutaway here. I love these things. Shows every component of how the whole tractor works. It's really neat. See all the gears turning, the piston going up and down, the valves, the magneto, even a spark. Pretty awesome. See how the axles spin, everything. Even the air filter and the magneto got cut away. Got the rider transmission cut away. There's another cool piece. You can see how all the gears spin in there, and got the PTO clutch. You got forwards, you got reverse. You can see how all these things operate here. It's pretty cool. Hey, good to see you. This is one of my favorites here, the V-Plow. It's pretty cool. And up here on the shelf up here, there's a V-Plow. It's a pretty rare thing. It's the only one I've ever seen. We had a whole bunch of mower decks over here. That 30-inch there is the NOS deck. It's absolutely beautiful. Yeah, this is the famous hex axle tractor that we had fired up yesterday. Got some Model Ds over here, and this is the D that we were running before, the 1924, the oldest Model D known to exist. It's pretty neat. This is a sprayer called a Hardy sprayer. Hooks up to the front of the Model L down here. It's got a belt drive that would turn this crazy pump. You can spray your apple trees or something with it. Over here we got just a bunch of crap for sale. That's about it.
No, we were just talking about
All kinds of crap.
one of those, like, back right, this is 45, 50 bucks.
These guys taking the peg harrow apart down here. Got it apart, huh? Yep. Nice. Yeah, I know. You gotta take this handle off for him too to fit?
Might be able to flip it the other direction.
There's my big score of the day. Got a Maytag engine here for my buddy Eric. So, turns over. Pretty cool. That's the next project.